everyone, this is Laika and welcome back again to Car Accessories. So for today's video is we have an installation of car horn, which is our Hella Twin Tone car horn, and in this video is malalaman nyo kung ano-ano yung mga specifications about this product. So, introducing you our Hella Twin Tone car horn, operating on 12 volts, and it produces a powerful combination of 500 Hz high tone and 400 Hz low tone, giving you a clear and attention-grabbing sound on the road. You know guys, what makes it even better is its solid metal housing and impact-resistant trumpet, designed for durability and long-lasting performance, even in tough driving conditions. These upgrades helps improve road safety by making sure other drivers and pedestrians can hear you clearly when needed. So if you want a horn that's durable, dependable, and sounds premium, visit us here at Car Accessories, and we have branches in Makati, Paranaque, Cebu, and Davao.